Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Shreya, and today I'm going to talk about a very simple thing, very common thing, and that is pain. We all know we have so many different types of pain. That could be very expensive, very cheap, very fancy, or very decorative. But the actual fact, we don't know what is the definition of pain. Uh, Most of the people, many people think many people they just look the pain and think that it's a pain, it's a very simple tool to write, but uh, but for me it's not like that. It's a symbol of power, it's a symbol of ideals, and it's a symbol of our goals and everything. And you see, a sword can win a battle, like a pen. It can win our hearts. It can change our mind. It even change the whole world. Um, so think about it. It's not a very simple thing. It created our history. It has no voice. We all know it has no voice, but it has created. Uh, Feeling nervous.
History.
It has no. It has created the most powerful speeches of history. It wrote. It wrote. So I'm feeling
Okay.
nervous.
Okay, you are feeling well. That's common. That's very common. Everything is good, but you have to maintain your higher pitch. Okay, speak a little loudly. And the point that you are making that it is a whatever it is you say, it is this that. So you have to emphasize on this point. Let's, for example, you want to say it is a sign of prosperity. It is a sign. If you just say if you sign of prosperity, it is a sign of success. It's a reason of success. It looks very casual. So you have to say then pain is not just it. So you have to take pauses in your speech, okay, here and there. Like you can say pain is very useful because it helps us many ways. There are so many different types of pain. You cannot maintain that flow of right there. Pain is really useful. It can do a lot of things in our life. For example, I'm a student. I need to do a lot of things in my life. So এটা কি হবে, এটা তোমাকে না ভাবতে সময় দেবে যে এর পরে আমি কি করব। So your arm sound will be reduced. So the moment you will take pauses, মানে সমস্যাটা কি হয়, যখন তুমি টানা কথা বলতে চাও না, তখনই তোমার আমগুলো আসে যে মনে করো today I will do something and before doing that I will read something. My speech is pain. So you are trying to speak continuously. So if you take pauses, that today I'm going to talk about a topic, and my topic is pain. We all know pain is so much useful in our daily life. As a student, we can feel that without pain, we cannot do anything. For example, I want to write something that I have studied. I want to clear my exam. Whatever you do, whatever you do, whatever you do, whatever you want to do, you have to take the help of the pain.
So, hello, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Alina, and today I want to talk about very common topic. Everyone connected this thing. So, what I will talk about? I talk about computer. Everyone know computer. What is this? But many people think computer is just a device. But I don't think computer is not a device. Computer is very useful gadget in our daily life. People use many things, many type, and people learn everything without institute, without money, and without
Going anywhere.
going anywhere. So some example, before I don't have any laptop, so I go tuition and my and I spend lots of money with institute, or many tuition, but after I have a laptop, I don't go anywhere, and I don't spend any money, because I have a laptop, and laptop is very useful. We learn everything, like we learn AI, and we learn stock market, and whatever you do, it's very useful, and
You can learn it for free.
you can learn it for free. So my friends, I want to say something. Don't think computer is just a device.
Yeah.
Computer is very big useful gadget. We use many things, and we learn many things. Thank you so much.
Okay. That. So you said that using computers we don't need to go anywhere. Okay. এবারে একটা এক্সাম্পল তুমি কিভাবে দেবে মনে করো, for example I want to learn about AI. If I do not have, মনে করো AI শিখতে যাবো কম্পিউটার, এটা একটু অবান্তর হয়ে যাচ্ছে, অন্য কিছু মানে কি বলবো, মনে করো অন্য কিছু একটা ডিজিটাল মার্কেটিং কম্পিউটার লাগে, এমন কিছু একটা শিখতে চাই যেটা কি বলবো, যেটাতে কম্পিউটার লাগে না। If there is anything, সেটা তো কম্পিউটার লাগে, হ্যাঁ। If there is one thing that you can learn without computer, রান্না বান্না হয়, তো রান্নার কথা বলছি না, রান্না করতে কম্পিউটার লাগে লাগে না। ওকে,
হ্যাঁ স্যার, শিখতে পারে।
না না শিখতে পারে, আমি বলছি যে কাজটা শিখবে সেটার জন্য কম্পিউটার লাগবে না, মানে সেটার কম্পিউটার, রান্না তো কম্পিউটারে করতে হয়, এরকম কিছু একটা মনে করো ওই হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ গ্রাফিক না, গ্রাফিক নয়, কি জানো, হ্যান্ড রাইটিং, এই ক্যালিগ্রাফি, যে ক্যালিগ্রাফি বলে, ভালো করে সুন্দর করে লেখা। মনে করো তুমি এরকম এক্সাম্পল দিচ্ছ যে লেটস ফর এক্সাম্পল আই ওয়ান্ট টু লার্ন ক্যালিগ্রাফি. If I do not have laptop any computer, how can I learn that? Can you tell me that how can I learn that? First of all, I have to find out the institute where it is situated, where I can find an institute who can teach me about calligraphy. Maybe I will find one or two, but there is no guarantee it will be good. It will be better enough that can teach me about calligraphy. Even after going there and I spend a lot of time and money, still there is no chance I can learn that. But if I have a laptop, I can search that calligraphy, and there will be so many videos will come up in front of me. I can choose any video. If I do not like any video, I can skip to another. So I have the power to change my teacher. I have the power to where I want to learn. So that's the power of having laptop and internet connection. For example, if you are inspired করছো যে in villages, at least who lives in city, they have different institutes, they have different tuition centers and a lot of things. But a student who lives in village, he want to learn coding, he want to learn AI, he want to learn stock market. Just tell me how he going to learn, how he's going to learn that. He never can learn that. But if he has a laptop, he don't need to go anywhere. He doesn't need to go anywhere. He just need to open the laptop and learn anything, whatever you want. So that is the power of computer. This is the power of laptop. Okay, so you have to add more sentences, examples, and with emotions. যে এটা মানুষের জীবনে কতটা পার্থক্য বা ডিফারেন্স আনছে। ওকে, দেন ইউ উইল বি ভেরি মাচ ইন্টারেস্টিং। আরেকবার ক্ল্যাপ করে দাও।